This announcement by Tasmanian Premier Peter Gutwein is actually a delay, not last Monday, but the Monday before. He announced that on Monday, November 2nd, New South Wales would be reclassified as low risk, meaning that residents from New South Wales could travel to Tasmania without going into 14 days of quarantine. Well, now that's been pushed back to Friday, November 6th, but is subject to health advice and as long as there's no significant outbreaks of COVID-19 in New South Wales. So by late next week, Victoria may be the only state still locked out of Victoria. As you say, New South Wales state government ministers will be meeting today to discuss how and when the hard border closure with Victoria will end. This border closure with Victoria and New South Wales has been in place since early July. Last month we had an expansion of that 50-kilometre border bubble for residents living close to the border. But we do know that Premier Gladys Berejiklian wants a wait-and-see approach. I don't think there's a lot of confidence in Victoria's contact tracing system, and she says that she wants to wait and see now that Victoria and Melbourne are opening up and there's going to be more movement in the population, how effective they are at controlling further outbreaks. So it could be a number of weeks away. New South Wales recorded 2 new local cases of local transmission yesterday, both linked to the Oran Park cluster. But Laura, both of those cases were already in self-isolation, so not a lot of risk to the community.